कसम है मुझे मेरी माँ और बहन की तेरी जिंदगी की माँ बहन कर दूँगा, तालियां नहीं बनने वाली काफ़ी।
ऑलमोस्ट 30 साल के बाद एक हीरो ताबीज़ को माथे पे लगाएगा और डायलॉग बोलेगा, फानूस बनकर जिसकी हिफाजत हवा करे वो शम्मा क्या जैसे रोशन खुदा करे.
The music reviews in a tabloid of Himmat Wala.
I don't read.
And apparently they've given some 1 star or something.
But shit, we got one.
We got 1 star.
Yeah.
But I don't need more than 1 star because I've got the correct 1 star. Reviewers मेरी पिक्चरों को रिव्यू नहीं करते.
Most important
they review you in fact.
The music is working with the audiences, made the film for the audiences, and that's what we want.
की फर्क पैंदा है रिव्यूअर्स से यार. आदत बहुत पुरानी हो चुकी है उनकी और मेरी.
Well, we interviewed Tamanna yesterday, and she said that in a film Himmat Wala, there's a blockbuster director के साथ में superstar hero है, तो picture तो hit होना लाजमी बात है. And we have with us the blockbuster director and superstar hero Ajay Devgan and Sajid Khan. Wonderful to have you guys on Bollywood Hungama.
Thank you so much.
And congratulations, I think, for the wonderful response that you guys have been getting for the blogs, first of all, on Bollywood Hungama. We've crossed more than 5 lakh video views so far. So, what is the magic that you do with your making, in fact, Sajid?
Yeah, Faridun, I started it in 2007 when even Bollywood Hungama did not know. तभी Bollywood Hungama भी नहीं था, तभी India FM था.
जी.
They did not know blogs क्या होते हैं. So I said कि day by day making हम डालेंगे before release. And बोला था before release. और उसका रिस्पॉन्स इतना अच्छा आया था, तो आई ऑलवेज फॉलोड इट एंड आई लाइक द वे बॉलीवुड हंगामा और मेरी फिल्मों का हमेशा एक तालमेल साथ में रहता है.
Right, and have you watched the response that we've got on Bollywood
No,
Hungama?
I really haven't, but they keep telling me, and the thing is that I expected such a response also because he's so funny on the set and we all having so much of fun on the set. I think people like watching that. People like watching what is happening behind the camera and not just serious film talk. It's just having a lot of fun.
And in fact, I think the kind of humor that you bring to the table as well, many a times it's at the expense of other people. Like you told your DOP that it's his birthday today and he has turned 65, and by the end of the day you made him 64 in fact, and he had to be happy after that.
You've been following the vlogs, huh? No.
The Vatsal one today that has been.
My DOP is a young guy.
Ji.
He's not 65 or 64. He is 62.
He's a young guy.
He's a young guy. He's in his mid 40s.
I believe you're the only person who has played pranks on Sajid Khan and got away with it, because I think you guys have known each other for a long time, in fact.
Yeah, we've been known
each other. So tell us more, a few secrets, in fact, please.
I don't know about secrets, but we've known each other since college days, and what secrets? I mean, he's done everything in his life from DJing to stealing hubcaps. Making money out of stealing hubcaps and things like this. And
the first day that we met, the building which he used to stay.
He was one of the finest mimic actors.
मैंने मिमिक्री आइटम किया था फॉर लोडी का प्रोग्राम था कालूमल बिल्डिंग में, और मैंने अजय को बोला था यार मेरे को कुछ पैसे दिला दे यार, तो ये सर ठीक है मैं बिल्डिंग सेक्रेटरी से बात करके देखो 300 रुपये दिलाता हूँ. तो शो खत्म हुआ तो फिर इसके पीछे गया यार मेरे 300 रुपये दिला देना, तो ये सेट के अभी मैं सेक्रेटरी से कर ले लूँ, तुम मुझसे ले ले. तो ही थॉट आई वुडंट टेक इट, मैंने ले लिया. तूने 300 लिए थे सेक्रेटरी से?
याद ही नहीं मुझे.
तो आई ओwe you 300 rupees.
And apparently, I think you guys had 3, gangs in Juhu, and one was Vishal Devgan.
No such thing. We were one group, and we were.
There was mutual respect between the 3 gangs.
Yeah.
All film kid gangs.
Yeah, Bindu Dara Singh and Bobby Deol.
It was actually seniority wise.
हम
लोग बीच वाले थे.
हम लोग बीच वाले थे. ना इधर के थे ना उधर.
Bindu and all were the senior ones who were like 4-5 years older to us.
They were the Mohammad Morani, Ali Morani, Sunny Deol, वो group. Right. Then we were the beach wala, और हमसे एक younger gang था, the Bobby Deol gang.
That wasn't younger, that was our
same age. Yeah.
Promos of Himmat Wala, I think you've said somewhere in the making that you always like the dialogue bazi. The dialogue bazi has to be for any hero as such. कौन से dialogues आपके public बोलती है, उससे आपका जो एक certain stature है वो पता लगता है, in fact. So and I think in this one you are having quite a few of them.
Yeah, I think.
कसम है मुझे मेरी माँ और बहन की तेरी जिंदगी की माँ बहन कर दूँगा, इसे तालियां नहीं बनने वाली काफी.
You've written that. Yeah. So, हाँ ऐसे काफ़ी डायलॉग्स हैं फिल्म में.
शेरावाली का हाथ है मुझ पर, चाहे जितने दुश्मन आ जाएं ज़मीन पर. इन सब पे तो हंगामा इनफैक्ट होने के पूरे एकदम.
I hope हो क्योंकि
टाइम के बाद आई थिंक ऑलमोस्ट 30 साल के बाद एक हीरो ताबीज़ को माथे पे लगाएगा और डायलॉग बोलेगा, फानूस बनकर जिसकी हिफाजत हवा करे वो शम्मा क्या बुझे जैसे
I think that's not come so far.
that promo is coming next week.
Acha. So that entire aspect, you enjoyed it as such?
Of course I did.
It has been associated with you for some time now in most of your
We
movies.
have gone back into the 83 and you know the flavor and the lines, he's maintained it that way. In fact, if you see in the making, I gave my first shot of the film and I looked at him and I said, "Is it loud enough?"
Yeah, that's there in the making.
Right.
So we've kept that a little bit of melodrama of the 80s.
But you know what happens, Faridun? When you write dialogues, no, you are keeping the person who's going to be saying the dialogues in mind. तो उनकी पर्सनालिटी के हिसाब से आप डायलॉग भी लिखते हो और जब वो आदमी डायलॉग बोलता है अपने अंदाज में ना तो आपको एक सेटिस्फैक्शन आता है कि यार ये आदमी स्टार है और स्टार जब ऐसे डायलॉग बोल रहा है तो ये और बड़ा स्टार बन जाता है। इस देश में जितने भी बड़े सुपरस्टार हैं वो बनते हैं अपने स्टाइल से और अपने डायलॉग बाजी से एंड अजय इज़ वन ऑफ देम।
One thing I would like to ask you, Sajid. I read one of the reviews of the music reviews in a tabloid of Himmat Wala.
I don't read.
And apparently they've given some 1 star or something. You know,
But shit, we got one.
We got 1 star.
yeah.
But I don't need more than 1 star because I've got the correct 1 star.
My perception was they were not reviewing the music. It was Sajid Khan was being reviewed. In fact, there has to be some standard. You can't be just having
But
anything.
how do you
whatever.
explain it is the highest selling music in the last 4 months? How do you explain it is the number 1 download in the last 4 months? They are not going to review all that.
But who are the reviewers?
Who are they?
Have they gone through some certain training? Have they some experience? Do they know music themselves? You know, we need to figure out. Anybody can. I mean, tomorrow I can go on the net and review anybody's film. That does not mean that I have the
It's like
experience
you
of being a
reviewing
reviewer.
clothes or food.
Yeah.
Or me reviewing automobile parts. What qualification do we have? कुछ फर्क नहीं पड़ता है रिव्यूअर्स से यार। और मैं बोला है ना कि रिव्यूअर्स मेरी पिक्चरों को रिव्यू नहीं करते,
Most
मुझे
important
करते
thing
They
is
review you, in fact.
music
Yeah,
is
that's
the music is working with the audiences, made the film for the audiences, and that's what we want.
Today the number 1 song tracking everywhere on all music channels is Taki Re Taki.
I think even thank God it's Friday. I think it's a wonderful
Exactly.
track. It's a very nice track, in fact.
की फर्क पैंदा है रिव्यूअर्स से यार, आदत बहुत पुरानी हो चुकी है उनकी और मेरी।